full load right there. What you got going over here, Zeb?
I think what I want to do, Joe, is cut this driveway in more. You see this mud spot?
Yep.
This angle, back right on the other side, this guide wire, this side.
Okay.
And then a bucket width down through there, right up against the barn.
Okay.
Or a little less. You may as well just do a bucket width. This side of this tree back, about 10 foot of this broad, so like a little under 2 buckets, I guess.
So like inside of the tree here to there,
straight to
like
there.
a parking pad kind of?
Yeah.
What about that trailer there?
Push it out of the way.
So you want the gravel to kind of come
Yep.
all the way to a square here?
Well, you can bring that gravel, and once you hit this corner, you can bring it around to this. That sawmill will sit here.
Okay.
It's about to where you're at, and I need to cut about a...
So Zeb is going to be cutting the end of this barn off, a 9-foot opening for his sawmill. And I'm going to put a gravel pad here for him so that he can bring the sawmill in and out of the barn when he wants to use it. Okay.
Right there. Curl it down. Sheds water good.
Well, yeah, that's sometimes too good on the hills, right? I gotta do one more drag here on the edge, get this lip out of there. The good news is, since it's free, you can't or anything.
About that, can you? No, that's perfect for me.
New sawmill's going here. The wife's gonna want to come down and play around on your sawmill. She's into that. She's into all that wood stuff.